can see you are where you should be. Then what about shareholders of the company? What can shareholders do? What can shareholders do with
Which others are
financial information? Financial
can you
statement,
say
yeah. Financial information can just the same thing.
shareholders
Yeah,
are the
yes.
owners?
Yeah, they are the owners
The-
of the business of a company or a business.
Sister, you know, let me say, using the financial information,
Yeah,
they can be able to see how the company is performing, the profit
sure,
and the
sure.
losses.
Yeah,
So they can know whether they will continue giving in the money
yeah.
or any for of the business or not.
Okay. Very great. I see you are there. You are there. You are good. You are doing well. So, what about trade contacts? Trade contacts are like we have the suppliers, creditors, customers. What do you think? Why do suppliers need financial information of a
You can
company
see
or a business?
to determine whether the company is credit worth and they pay and to determine whether the company is credit worth
Yeah,
what the suppliers,
very correct. What about customers?
the customers,
Yeah.
hey, to determine whether they can rely on the company.
Yeah.
Then using the
Yeah.
financial information that is accounting, right?
Yeah.
They just determine whether they can rely on the company. Can I
Yeah.
rely on this company? That
Yeah.
if I want something, I get it
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Mm, mm-hmm. For the
Correct,
price which I
correct.
want.
I see you are there. You are there. What about KRA, the taxation authority? Why do they use? Why must they actually inquire about the financial information?
See to know whether any the amount of tax the company is supposed to pay, the
Yeah.
tax they're supposed to pay.
Correct, Sam.
Yes.
Welcome. We are tackling users of financial information, and we have done managers, shareholders, and trade contracts. Trade contracts are like suppliers,
Okay.
creditors, and customers. Na mbona sasa unachapa mbwa?
Kijana, hebu tuendelee.
So yes, so we are there. We have also talked about the tax authorities. Some what why do you think tax maybe like KRA can always seek to know maybe financial information of a given company?
I think they want to know that if the company is in a position to pay
Uh,
to pay their to pay their taxes when due.
okay, okay. So
Yeah.
always what they want to confirm,
Okay.
they always want to confirm whether the company has remitted the required amount. Like now, after knowing the profit that the company is making, a company should always remit 30% of it is called corporate tax. Corporate tax, 30% of the profit. Are you getting
Mm-hmm.
me? Someone Harriet, are we together up to there?
Yes.
Yes.
So they will always want to know whether the company is doing what is required and whether they are remitting exactly what they should remit and to know whether they are compliant. What about employees of a company?
Employees.
Yeah, why do you think why must they be concerned about financial information of a company?
Uh-huh. Okay. By analyzing and what the financial data of the company,
Yeah,
these employees will they will know how the company is doing,
yeah,
whether they how can I put this? I don't know how I can put this. The amount they are supposed to be paid. Maybe they can. from the performance of the company, they can see that the amount they're supposed to be paid, the money they're
Yeah.
supposed to receive, and whether the employment is going to continue or is going to collapse anytime soon.
Yeah, very correct. Harriet, you are doing something, and I hope Nani is following also. Someone also is also was thinking of that idea. So you realize that employees will always want to know, like, will they be paid at the end month? Will they be paid, or they're just working for free? Like, will they be rewarded? Is there salary? Is there a wage that they will be paid? So they will know that based by checking the performance of the business of the company. And also they will always want to know, will this institution be there next year, or it is going to collapse this the end of this 2026, you see, so that they
Mm,
know the security, like the job security, is their job secure, or there is a possibility they can lose their job anytime, you see.
mm.
Yes, those are some of the reasons that an employee may be concerned, or may try to look into or inquire about financial information. What about financial analysts and advisors?
The financial analyst and the advisor. Sam, can you try to answer that? Sam, are you there?
Sam, Grandchild anasema ni wewe unaweza okoa.
Oi, wacha nifikirie hiyo kwanza, ambao unaweza tusaidia.
So first of all, maybe let's start. Who are financial analysts? Any financial
Those who are,
analyst that you may know?
mwalimu, let me ask you something.
Eh,
Financial analyst, are they those people who help in analyzing the financial data of the company?
yeah, they
Or
are.
what?
For example, the president of Kenya is having how many advisors?
Oh, who knows? I don't know.
He's having some financial advisors there that are helping him to always understand the scope of the economy, what they need to do to attract investors. So these are people. There is a one that we passed here. Providers of finance to the company. Providers of finance to the company. These are banks or financial institutions. Why do you think, before we get to that other one, that other financial analyst, why do you think that providers of finance to the company can always seek to know financial information of the business, like banks, before they give
So,
loan? Yes,
repeat your question, please.
I'm asking. There is this point that we passed. I've just realized the providers of finance to the company. These are financial institutions
The,
like banks.
like banks.
Why do you think a bank can be interested to know financial position of a company?
What you can say, a bank will be interested to know the financial position of our company,
Uh,
um, to know whether can will can you, the amount of the loan they can give you, the amount, so that they can know the money that is coming in
mm.
from your business and going out. Yani but to know whether they can be able to rely on you, whether your business is
Thank
running,
you very much,
how
Harriet.
much
So that
employment.
exactly it is exactly that. So you realize that before they give loan, they must know that this person, are they able to pay this loan within the period, or there are people who are going to default and will bring so many problems and even complaints. So they will want to know the financial position of a company, so that they can know the reliability of the client, whether they will be able to pay within that stipulated time. So financial analysts are people like advisors and even stock breakers. Are we together? So
Mm.
they will always want to know how the business is performing, so that they are able to advise. Are we together? Can you advise some, like, for example, maybe a student who is in school? Can you advise that child before seeing his result, or maybe his transcript?
No,
Can you?
no, you can't.
You can. So you have to check. You have to know the what. You have to know how the child is performing. That is when you can be able to advise, right?
Yeah.
So this the same too. Even financial analysts, they need to know financial position and financial information about business in order to advise. What about the government? The government, like the government of Kenya, why must they know? Why must they see financial information of business entities or even companies?
Oh, let me try answering that by the government wanting to know the information of the company from from the from the financial data from the financial data of the business,
Uh,
they can be able to see whether the economy is growing or not because the company is in the country. They can be able to see whether the economy through the performance of that company. Now they can be able to determine how the economy is growing. Is it growing or is it is going somewhere that is not or declining, something like that.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you for trying. Thank you for that. Very nice, very good. So government, the government is they are responsible for regulating any business that is taking place. So should they find that a company is engaging in a illegal business, then they will scrap that business off, or they can even scrap off that company. So they need that information to do what? To regulate, like to ensure that what the company is doing is right. Then again, they will always ensure that they also need to the businesses to do what? To contribute taxes.
Yes.
Yeah, so they will always ensure that they seek information so that the government through the government entity that we talk about when taxes comes into our mind is KRA. That is the government department that is dealing with KRA, taxes. So they will
Mm.
always want to know like how is the business performing, how much do they earn as a profit, have they remitted what they are to remit? Are they compliant to our legalities? So something of that kind. I hope we are together. The public. Why must the public always be in want of financial information of a given company?
Okay, so like the public are like us, the citizens.
Uh,
We might want to know the financial information of the company,
uh,
uh, whether to know will we get the employment opportunities, something like the employment, whether will we get it. Are there employment opportunities that will be created in this
thank
that
you.
are in this company by the use of this
Really,
information?
Sam,
Yes, yes.
you are very silent, one. What's wrong?
Oh,
You're
I'm not
following.
silent.
You're following.
I think, no, yes, I think Ariel should answer one. I also answer one.
Okay, but
I,
when you're quiet now, she will shine the way she's shining, but no problem.
I don't want to flow to know. Ariel, you also need to give me a chance.
So I
Eh,
don't really understanding.
so it's fine, it's fine. We are done with the. So we are to start on financial statement and elements of financial statement. This is now the test. This is now the test. When we are done with this thing, these ones. Are you seeing my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Why not really?
Kindly see your profile.
You are
Kindly
seeing
see
my
your profile.
profile.
Yes.
And you have been quiet like we are seeing my screen, but mbona mnakuwa hivyo?
See, you are just asking us questions. You never ask these questions.
I wanted to ask you as we also check the screen. But it's fine. Are you able to see my screen right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so I was saying that we need to know this one. Like now we are done with you are done with some there were some theories up there. So there is format of statement. We need to now to embark on this. So this is what I want to share with you. I want to take a snapshot. I want to snipe them and share them. Then we will start with them probably I'll check whether tomorrow we can have a class of this one or the class we will have tomorrow. Kesho, Sam, which class do we have on
Okay.
tomorrow? Is Wednesday or Thursday?
Tomorrow will be on Wednesday.
So Wednesday, it's usually in QA.
No, it's
I,
like the timetable. How you thinking?
So QA, if it is not QA, then there is a possibility we'll create time for this one, or we'll have QA. Then this one now will embark on Saturday evening after maybe, yes, in the evening, from six
Have
forty.
QA. I've never
Yes, yes, Harriet.
I've never attended QS class. Tomorrow we can have QA.
Oh, so tomorrow we'll have QA.
Tomorrow is Wednesday, right?
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll have QA. So that
Economics.
is,
Nobody.
yes. So I'm going to share these notes. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, no, right now it's disappeared again. Yeah, we can see it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to share these ones. Then please just create time to check them, so that you will be very familiar with them as we study them. Are we together?
Share on time.
Yes. So this one is a topic we must finish we must finish this on our next class. We must finish topic one, so that the other class we embark on topic two, recording transaction, then topic three. But yeah, yeah, there are some questions also I shared about topic one, topic two, and topic three, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so also go through those questions, then you will love this class. This class will be one of your best. Otherwise, let me stop there because my screen is misbehaving. Like my 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 laptop is going on off, is almost going off. So let us stop there. We'll get back in our next class so that we continue. I hope we are
Okay.
together up to that point.
Yes. Yes.
Sam,
yes.
yeah,
Okay.
let's stop there. If there is any question, we are going to you just inbox me, or you can give me a text, then I can call you later so that we expound on it kindly.
Sawa.